Hey guys, I'm James and this is Mostly Helpful, and today we're back on the E36 to fix that broken fan. Let me show you how. So you may remember in a previous video I talked about the fan in this car not working, and let me show you. I've fixed the actual fan unit. I replaced the blower. So there we go, with the ignition on, the fan's on 1, 2, turn that off, 2, 3, and then the fan works. And that's a classic failure mode, so it only works on speed 4, and that is because the fan resistor, which in my car is under here, needs to be replaced. Got that part now from BMW. It's come from Germany. I'm going to show you how to install it. So on these early right-hand drive cars, there's a couple of screws we need to remove. Firstly, we've got to go after this one here, so let's do that. Car is in the garage and not out on the drive where the light is better because the clutch lathe cylinder is gone. That is another job to show you when the time is right. Then got a screw up under here. Have a look. Yep, just under there. Just standard Phillips, these. Nothing special. And then all you need to do is start just pulling gently at it, and it starts to fall away. It's sort of clipped in the back up here, as I recall. There. Ah yes, unhooks from that clip here. It's a plastic clip, I'll just show you that. So, in terms of, there's this sort of hooked clip in that corner I've forgotten about. There we go, that one there. And then with that out of the way, what you can do is you can reach up to the the fan resistor. Just so with this a bit more light in there, let's have a look. You can see that up there, and you need to pinch those clips together, and then it should pull out. Yep, needed 2 hands for that, but what you can see now is this cable is loose. That's the power cable to the resistor, and then the resistor, again, it's just an interference fit. There's no screws. It's got a clip that you push up. And again, I'm going to need to use 2 hands, but I'll show you as I get it out. These clips are now released. There's actually one on the top, one on the bottom. Just get hold of it and pull it out. And there we go. Out she comes. So that's your fan resistor, which looks very different to the later style on the later facelift cars, which is this square type. Doesn't seem to be commonly available as an aftermarket, so I've had to go to BMW to get a legitimate, genuine one. Let me show you that. This is the new one from BMW. Obviously, check your part number on real OEM, make sure it's the right one for you. But as you can see, they've got exactly the same style as the one I've pulled out. Slightly different on the, oh, there we go. Slightly different design. Obviously, a bit more cooling by the looks of it. A few more holes in it. Let's get that plugged in, test that fan, finally get that fixed. Before we put that back in though, here is the location where the resistor will go in. As you can see, there's a, oh gosh, odd isn't it? There's a tab at the top that levers up and a tab at the bottom that pushes down, and that enables you to then slide out the resistor. Inserting it then is just a case of, see if I can do it, just lining it up and then just pushing evenly. And I'm expecting a reassuring click. Can I do it on camera? No. I need to seat that home. 2 hands required again. And there we go, that's now inserted fully. And then it's just a case of grabbing the wire, getting that in, and then lining it up. There we go, and then push, click, and that's in. Let's give it a quick test, make sure it works. Right then. Mobiliser off, ignition on, and there we go. Fan working nice. Number 2, number 3, number 4. 3, 2, 1, and off. Fantastic. And there we go. Nice simple job, relatively. Just need to reinsert the piece under the bottom here, and then we're good to go. And there we go, guys, all buttoned up and back together, nice and simple. Just that screw there, that screw under there, one clip over here, that funny clip in the side, and then a little clip at the back here. So 5 fixings, 2 screws, 3 clips. So guys, I hope that's helpful. If you've got one of these early right-hand drive E36s, that's where you'll find your fan resistor. And if you're getting that only working on speed 4, then that's absolutely what you should look at. Thanks as always for watching. If you like this content, let me know. If you like to see more of what I'm up to on the E36, do hit subscribe, and I look forward to coming to you in the next one very soon. Thanks and goodbye.